Meaning of freeze.
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 Freeze. The word freeze has several meanings, but generally refers to the process of turning a liquid or soft substance into a solid or hard one by lowering its temperature. This can occur naturally in low temperatures or through physical processes like refrigeration or freezing. When something is frozen, it becomes rigid and particles slow down, resulting in a loss of flexibility and the ability to move. Some common examples of things that can be frozen include food, water, and certain chemicals. When frozen, these substances can be preserved for later use, and some foods can even gain enhanced flavor and texture.